Supremo joining in. All set, ready for racing. Racing just started with Boss Benji rushing about the yells. There is a Princess Nicole to take the lead, and in third now is a Chicks to Chicks. Madam Butterfly Supremo comes next. Casablanca Cheap Keep Sosa comes next, then followed by Airflight. Back up while Safeguard is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the little one. Going along for the first turn, we have Princess Nicole by about 2 lengths now. Boss Benji is right behind in second. Madam Butterfly is racing in third, and in fourth now is Casablanca Cheap Keep Sosa now moving up to take fifth, and in sixth is Chicks to Chicks Supremo. Airflight back up while Safeguard now racing in last inside the 3 octavo. We have Princess Nicole enjoying a half-length lead. Moving up now on the outside is a Cheap Keep Sosa. Now says it's my turn to take the lead. We have Cheap Keep Sosa with a breakaway run by about 4 lengths, and in second remains Princess Nicole. Casablanca now moving upon the outside as they swing for home. Cheap Keep Sosa now racing away by about 6 lengths, followed by Princess Nicole. Casablanca last 50 meters is all Cheap Keep Sosa. Second is a Casablanca, Boss Benji, Airflight, Princess Nicole, Chicks to Chicks, Madam Butterfly.
2 horse, Cheap Keep Sosa, an official winner dito sa race number 3, segundo numero 8, Casablanca.